Hi, Sam.
Hey, honey, welcome back.
Hi.
Okay, now, just real quick. I started this business 15 years ago. I wanted to be a novelist, and I still do, but this pays the bills a whole lot better. Doreen used to be a dancer.
Well, cruise ships mostly, but some dinner theater.
Now she's been partners with me for 10 years. Isn't that right? And Tanya's been with us for six, that's right. And she is also an amazing tattoo artist. Now, oh, and this here is Emma, our barely legal-looking newbie. How long you been here, sweetie?
2 months today.
Oh, so nice. Hey, hon, you got a client number 4. Why don't you scoot on over?
All right.
Okay.
And you're all licensed massage therapists?
Sure, yeah, we all have licenses and we all give massage.
And she has to find a new job, and she really is put in the position to sort of do whatever it is that she can to take care of her family. So she answers an ad in the paper for another massage therapy position, which is like 2 hours away from where she lives, and she's willing to drive back and forth every day to do this, and very quickly finds out that she's in the middle of seemingly a brothel.
Okay, well, it's real important that I work only when my kids are at school.
Oh, that's fine. We do a huge lunch crowd.
All the outfits are in a little room in the back, but each of these rooms have everything you might need. There's condoms and oils and such. Oh, and drinks and Viagra are on the house.
You give away Viagra?
It pays for itself. Little blue pill keeps us in the black.
Is that I had no time really to work out for the movie. I had just wrapped Ghost Whisperer, had just done my book tour, and then we went straight to Canada to start filming this movie. And, I realized, like, when I got there, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be in all this lingerie, and I've had no time to, like, get ready for it. So for me personally, as a person, I was very nervous about that. Acting-wise, though, I think when people see the movie, it's actually gonna work better, because Samantha, my character, doesn't know that she's getting ready to do this either. And so she wouldn't have had like perfect abs and amazing arms and great legs and, you know, all that stuff. She's a mother of 3, and she would look like a normal person who sort of got thrown in lingerie at the last moment. So it actually worked out well for the movie, but I was definitely nervous about some of the stuff.